Concrete LLC is on site. We got this entire driveway getting poured. The sod is on the way. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Nikos Property Show, man. Super duper exciting morning today because Concrete LLC is on site. We got this entire driveway getting poured. We got a lot of the prep work for you as well that you'll be able to see, man. But this is exciting. 45-foot driveway from the asphalt all the way to that garage right there. We're going across here. We've got enough space for you to have a whole party right here, man. LambCon is on site. They're already pouring out this driveway. We've got 3 concrete patios in the back that need to be poured as well. A lot of prep work was put into this to make sure everything is done right. But right now, we're gonna get them working. We're gonna get this entire process for you. And then we got sod coming in so we can make this entire house look beautiful. Once this exterior is done, everything just looks amazing. So anyways, enough talking from me. Let's get the guys working. Big shout out Omar Chavero, man. Thanks for sending your guys out. Can't wait to get this thing done. All right, y'all, so they are literally pouring out the second truck already within like 30 minutes. The second truck was on the way. You can see this is freaking beautiful. And now that we have concrete down, you can kind of see what we were aiming for right here. We have a nice little dumpster pad area for where your recycle bin goes, your trash can. And then all this will be the high point right here where we send water that way and then send water this way. And that's gonna be a nice little crest point right there where the grass and the sod and everything like that is. Gonna be beautiful once we get that laid down. But just seeing this, all this concrete, man, it just brings the house to life. I absolutely love concrete day, man. When it shows up, that is a great day. So they're literally pouring out the rest of that. I mean, I think that might take them another like 15 minutes. They'll get all this knocked out. You can see them pulling back this small little dumpster area. And then everything is looking phenomenal. I can't wait for them to finish up, get everything smoothed out, get that bull float on it, and then get that thing brushed, and it's gonna be phenomenal, man. The 3 patios in the back, I think it might be like a yard or 2 yards each. They're gonna knock that out super quick. This is gonna be phenomenal, man. Once this is done, once the sod's down, they're gonna just get up out of here. We're gonna get up out of here. We're gonna sell these things, and all this is just turning out to what it needs to be. So really happy with the progress. Again, Concrete LLC, Cleveland, Chattanooga, all surrounding areas, man. These guys kill it. I love it. It's just a great day, man. So anyways, let's get them working. Alrighty, y'all, so this is the last patio that is getting knocked out right now. He's running that bull flow over it, getting it nice and smoothed out, getting it all up in there so somebody can come out here one day, nice little cup of coffee or cup of tea, or for a little cookout or something, get going right here with a grill, man. So this is gonna be phenomenal. Just waiting on this to get knocked out completely. You can see that second one's done, that third one's done, and then that driveway is getting finished right now. I mean, they're cutting everything in. It is looking beautiful. I cannot wait to finally get this final grade done and then get that sod in here. It's gonna look phenomenal. We're getting Bermuda sod brought in. It's gonna be awesome, man. This whole process has been fun. We cannot wait to get all of these done so we can start another project and just keep it moving, because progress is key, baby. So anyways, enough talking from me. We're gonna get some finishing shots of them here, some awesome drone shots, and then basically beyond that, that sod is gonna come in hot, baby. So y'all be ready. Good morning to you folks, man. We are on site right now. The sod is on the way. We got Roger and his crew out here. They're getting everything prepped. We did the final grade with the Bobcat, me and Paul, getting everything along the edges of the house, but they're actually here raking everything back, getting it ready for that actual sod to get laid down. You can see we got a few guys on this side. There's a few guys in the back as well. They're getting everything knocked out. This area is going to be beautiful as they finish all this sod, lay it all down and get it done. You can see they got the rakes right now, getting everything smoothed out to make sure there's no rocks, no sticks, anything like that underneath what they're gonna be laying the sod on. So we got all that topsoil down. They've got all the guys back here. Beautiful area, man. I'm super excited. Got Roger over there. He's playing, he's hiding. Why are you hiding, Roger? Everybody wants to see you, man. This is going on YouTube. We got to make you famous, man. Oh no, but yeah, great guy right there, man. He's got his guys out here right now. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think 6. There's another one over there, but they're gonna knock this out, man. I think this is a one-day job for them. 20 pallets of sod. A little easy work, man. For what's today? Today's Friday when we're actually filming this video. The house is going to be beautiful. But anyways, really excited to get this progress, man. Let's get them working. All right, y'all, so the sod was supposed to be here already. I got a call the guy's truck tires had to get changed or something. There's a delay. So guess what? I run off to Home Depot, I grab some plants, and the guys, Roger's crew, are ready to attack whatever. So I went and got some of these beautiful plants right here. These are Japanese hollies, and then we got the yellow daylilies over here. We're gonna do a nice little 3 cluster with some daylilies in between that wraps around the side over here, kind of cover up the gutters. One nice Japanese holly there in the front. So as it grows out, they can trim it, make it look nice. Paul, back up a little bit. I just want to give them a view of the entire house of what it's going to look like. And then that black mulch right there, it's just going to make everything pop. And then once they're able to bring that sod in, this is going to be phenomenal. But I got a little picture in my hand right now, and this is me as a child. This is something I just want to encourage everybody on this video. This kid right here would be proud of what this man has become. Long ago, all the things we used to wish for, we used to pray for as a child are now coming to fruition. They're coming to reality. And you got to understand that you have to be grateful for where your 2 feet are. Don't start thinking so far ahead to the future that you forget you used to pray for times like this. You used to want to be in this moment. You used to want to be right here, right now, doing what you're doing. Be grateful for where you are so that you can actually set goals and plan for the future on what you're going to be doing, and be appreciative along the way, because that journey is where you learn everything that you need in life. Every lesson is a blessing. So take everything for what it is. This kid, and you might be holding a picture of yourself, or you've got a memory from the past, would be proud of who you are today. I'm proud of you. I love you. Smile more, worry less, stay blessed. But we're not done with the video. Sod is almost here. Y'all, we are completely done with the sod on this house right here. The gray house has come to a close on the exterior. It is freaking beautiful. Roger and his crew, we just got done, man. It is right now, let me see what time it is. It is 8:48 p.m. right now, 8:48 p.m. And let me tell you something. First of all, while I got you here, y'all see this. This is Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. We got that going on right now, man. Progress has been happening. You can see how beautiful it is. We got the nice yellow daylilies right here. We got the bushes right here that look phenomenal with the black mulch, and we'll do a little touch up once we're done, but the guys just left. I mean, it is nighttime. Why don't we go on to the back as well? I wanna show y'all what it turned out back here. We got as much done as possible. It was 20 pallets of sod, and they absolutely killed it. We jumped in at the end, helping cut all the lines, making everything straight, trying to get it all symmetrical as possible. But check this out, man. These backyards are phenomenal, man. With these back patios. Imagine having a grill out here, just hanging out on this back patio, having fun. If you got kids or if you're just chilling by yourself, having a good time out here, man, these are good vibes. I'll be honest with you. I love this area. I love what's going on out here. I am just so happy with the progress of this build, with that driveway getting poured, with this sod getting put down, man. This exterior is turning out amazing. I want to jump up in the sky real quick though. Y'all got to check out these views. Alrighty, y'all, so as you can see, the house is beautiful and we are so happy with how everything is, man. This thing is turning out phenomenal. I cannot wait to completely be finished with everything inside. We got some punch list stuff and this house is basically done. We are going to be ready for that final inspection and we are gonna get this thing sold. Alrighty, so before we actually end this video out, unfortunately, a few weeks later, this grass has died in the front of the gray house. So it does look good on the side, in the back, but right here, it is terrible. We have to rip all this sod out right here, replace it. I cannot just leave this. It is Bermuda, it probably would come back eventually, but I cannot just leave this like this, man. As you can tell, it does not look like it should. I'll back out and just kind of give y'all a view of what it looks like right now. I mean, it is so dry. It has been so hot in Chattanooga, and I'm sure around the entire world, man. This is unfortunate. It is crazy. I've been watering it, everything, and just look at that, man. I mean, that is terrible. It is unfortunate, but it is a part of doing business. It's something that happens. You just got to roll with the punches. So we're going to get all this replaced here in the front. I just want to tell you, man, some bad news right there for us here with Nikos Property Show, but hey, things cost money. If you want to play, you got to pay. It's just a part of it. So we'll get this replaced and we will just make this look as beautiful as possible. But without further ado, let's end out this video. Anyways, if you did enjoy this video, please make sure you like and subscribe and drop a comment. Let us know what part of this process has been your favorite. If you haven't yet, check out Nikos Property Show on all social platforms. Follow us along so you can see what next projects we're going to be doing. Make sure you check out nikos-school.teachable.com. If you haven't yet, you can learn how I got into real estate and check out my real estate beginners course. But without further ado, smile more, worry less, and stay blessed. I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.